How to add or remove card on Temu. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can add or remove card on Temu. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to add or remove the card from Temu, these are the steps you need to follow in order to do so. First of all, launch your Temu application onto your device. After you have successfully logged into your Temu application, you'll be finding the dashboard of the Temu application on your screen. So in order to add or remove the card, you just need to follow the steps. Just go to the use section, you tap at the bottom, you can find that at the middle. After going here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. After tapping on it, you'll be finding a bunch of options here, but you're just gonna go to the your payment section. Just tap on your payments. After going there, you'll be finding different options along with add credit card or debit card. Just simply tap on that and you can add debit card or credit card. You just need to enter your card number, expiration date and CVV, or you may either scan your card if you want. After that is done, just tap on add to card. And after you have successfully added your card, you'll be able to see your card that you've added, and that's how you basically add a card onto your Temu application. But if you want to remove the card, what you can do is simply tap on the edit option beside the card. You can find it, just tap on edit, and when you tap on it, you can you'll be taken to the card, and here you'll be finding two options in the bottom: edit your card and delete your card. Just tap on delete your card. After that, confirm it. You can see this pop up like, are you sure you want to remove this card? Just tap on yes, remove this card, and your card should be removed after that. So therefore, you may just follow this method in order to add or remove a card on Temu application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.